Good day, everybody. So, today I have a project from Kickstarter from Devil's Due Comics that is a new genre series called Archaeopunk. And it is called Arc World by Josh Blaylock. And this was the first issue in the series, and I have just received it not too long back, and currently they have a second Kickstarter going, which I will leave links to at the end of the description and at the end of the video. This is a really cool comic series. I have not dived into it yet because I have just opened it and wanted to wait until I did a review to actually open them up and start to read them and then do another review on it. Anyway, here's a little bit on the back here of what it's about. When a discovery turns our understanding of history upside down, a couple abruptly finds themselves swept up in a deep state conspiracy that threatens the world. Only the year is 11,000 BCE, and the Earth is nothing like we have been told, nor does our couple, Cleito and Seth, know the role they will play in the course of the events to follow. Thus begins the first chapter in an all-new Archaeopunk saga. And currently they are on Kickstarter with their second issue, which I am currently backing. And I will leave some links in that too. Right now I'm just kind of leaving these in here because on their second one they have actual box sets that you can put your comics into, or graphic novels into, and keep them nice and stored. So I'll just keep them in here in the original packaging for now. So when I ordered, I actually picked this cover, which is the Adventures Unlimited Press Edition, which is going to stay in here. This is the one over here I'm going to be reading from. Pardon me. And they are very nicely put together. I'm just going to put this one over here. And they also have Comic-Con preview, little booklet. Also comes with a signed certification of authenticity. And then I opted in for a bunch of the prints. Elongated Paraka skull. And these are all ones you could, except for this one, all these other ones are the ones you can get for covers of the book. Oh, bring that down a little bit so people can see it. I like them, they're pretty cool. Put those around a couple times. My corners are bent. That really sucks. I have to put something flat on top of them. Anyway, not a huge deal. These are going to eventually be framed, I hope. That one, and I'll give you a little sneak peek in this one, since this is the one I'll be reading from. These are very nicely made books. Sorry, I'm on a little bit of an angle here. Oh, a little bit of stuff on there. Anyway, very nice cover on it. Very thick, glossy paper, nice and thick, and the artwork is really quite nice. Also, here is their website, which I'll also be linking down below. Here's a little sneak peek. Very nice, very nice done artwork. Wow, can't speak. Anyway, little glimpse of a couple of the pages here. think it's very well done. But, you know, I haven't read comic books since I was a kid, so it's been a while for me. But so far, I'm quite impressed. And there is just over a week left on their current Kickstarter, and you can pick up issue 1 and issue 2 on that Kickstarter for a discounted price. And they're also making 3D printed Paraka skulls. You can get a 4-inch or a 7-inch. I've opted for the 7-inch, which will sit on my desk near my computer or on my computer. But very cool either way. And I think they have some other merchandise on there too that has to do with the book. But anyway, I will be linking everything in down below. Please give me a subscribe or a like, as I will be doing more of these, and when issue 2 comes in, I will be doing a review on that as well, which should hopefully be within the next, like, I would say 4 to 6 months, depending on how this whole pandemic goes and everything, and once manufacturing and printing presses get back to normal. We will be doing more of this, and I will be having other Kickstarter projects that I'll be reviewing, and a couple Indiegogo ones, and maybe some other random stuff that maybe other people want to see too. Thank you very much for viewing, and I will be posting another one as soon as I have more stuff to post. Thank you very much.